If you were choking and you were by yourself, would you know what to do? Go ahead and save this post right now because it may come in handy if, God forbid, you ever find yourself in that situation. So I saw this tragic story about Venezuelan cyclist Daniela L'Ariel Chirinos. She was found deceased in her apartment after her co-workers became worried when she didn't show up to work. Police went to her apartment and they found her there. They determined that she had choked on some food because they saw it in her windpipe. I want to show you the steps that you need to take and what to do if you're alone and you're choking. So if you're by yourself and you start choking on some food, this is what you're going to do. The first thing is you're going to call 911. You're going to get your phone if it is near you and you're going to call 911. Even if you cannot talk, I still want you to call 911. Put that phone down, keep that line open. The operator is going to know that you need help and they're going to send help. Number 2, I want you to try to cough. Try to cough as hard as you can to try to get that food up out of your throat. If you can talk or you can cough, that means that there is not a complete obstruction and some air is still moving. So try to cough as hard as you can and see if you can get that food to fly out. Number 3, if that doesn't work, if you can't cough at all, no air is moving, you're going to perform the Heimlich maneuver, just like you would on somebody else. And there's 2 ways that you can do that. First way is you can use a chair or even a countertop, and you're going to thrust your abdomen into that object, okay? You're going to just push, and that abdominal pressure, even now, not choking, I can feel it. That is going to help to expel that food out of your mouth. You don't have a chair at all, then you could use the side of a counter even, and thrust yourself into the counter. You want to make sure that the chair that you are using does not have any sharp edges because you don't want to cut into your abdomen. You don't want to cause any internal injury. That doesn't work. The next way that you can do the Heimlich maneuver is you want to make a fist and you want to thrust it right into the middle of your abdomen here, right there underneath the rib cage, just like you would on anybody else, but now you're performing it on yourself. Once the food is expelled and you're now able to breathe and you're able to talk, it's still important that you seek medical help. You can call 911 again if they didn't come already. You can now call a family member or a friend to help you, but you want to get to the hospital. You want to seek medical help because there could be some damage or injury in your throat or even your internal organs and abdomen, depending on how hard you had to thrust. So these are the steps that you want to take if you're by yourself and you're choking. So 911, cough real hard, Heimlich maneuver. Please save this post and share it because it could save a life.